got to remove this gel off my nails. Okay, so here's the Melodysusie drill. So far, so good. We got a warranty information. We have the safety manual, a little foam to protect the top. Okay, this is nicely protected. I don't know if I'm going to remove that. This is the machine where the power is in. This is the handpiece. This really reminds me of my Koopa drill that I had that I broke one day and I dropped it. So just try not to drop your stuff, you guys. But so far, this is really nice. They had an option to get pink and silver. So I decided to get like the white with the gold. I feel like that's more of my style. And I just wanted something pretty to look with, like, good on camera with all the different colors that I do my nails. Okay, so wow, I didn't know that came with this. It has arbor bands. Let's take it out. We have arbor bands. Cool. We got a USB charger. Nice. I wonder if it's already charged. So to turn it on, you just turn this little switch on right here. There is some battery on there. So I guess if you were to charge it, let's see, let's turn this off. Does it show if it's charging? I don't think so. It doesn't show if it's charging. I don't know if I did something wrong here. I don't think so. But anyway, let's disconnect that. So we're gonna put in the handpiece. So let's connect. This is not the right one, I think. They look the same though. Let's see. Okay, that's right. So I guess it doesn't matter what side you connect it on. All right, connect it on both. This is just a little piece to protect the drill handle. Oh look, there's like a little acrylic piece here to place on here to hold your drill handpiece. Cute. I think I'm just gonna remove this tape. I don't really mind. Look how beautiful it is. It's really nice. Okay, and then it does come with these pieces. I wonder if these are any good. I kind of feel like trying it. I've never seen a company send pieces like this. Sometimes these are very like hit or miss. These look like coarse arbor bands. But let's use one of their, it looks like a medium grit arbor band. Actually, it looks like a fine. I'm not sure. It looks like in between. So it's still turned off. I turned it off. We're adding the new piece. So far, it feels nice on my hand. I don't know if I picked out a good arbor band. That one has a lot of glue on it. So let's take this out. Better. All right. Put it back in. This feels so nice. It feels light. It really does remind me of my Koopa drill that I had, except this one's lighter. But now we have to test it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the fan back. It's lowest, so we have it. If you push one time, it goes to the lowest, and then if you push twice, it goes to the high, to the medium, and then if you push 3 times, it goes to the highest. So for now, let's go to the lowest. And I like this because all you have to do is charge it, and you can use this if you do nails. Like, let me turn this off real quick. The reason I like this so far is because if you do nails at a salon, or you do nails and you take clients and you want to do pedicures, you can literally just take it to the pedicure station without something connected to the wall. And you can remove their gel polish, you can prep their nails, and you don't have to worry about connecting a big piece to the wall and all those wires, really ruining the experience for the client and yourself. So let's turn this thing on. Okay. Wow, it sounds nice. It feels like there's no like that annoying vibration. That's 1, 2, 3. So 3 is where I would usually use to prep the nail, somewhere around there. I might even be able to do it with 1 actually. I sometimes drills, when they're really bad, they go too high right away, and there's not really a good setting where it goes from a low speed to a very high speed. Some of them want to go from a really high speed to an extremely high speed. So this is a good sign so far. All right, so let's just do the 1 just to see the feel of it. Yeah, it's very, very soft. So now let's go to 3 so we can remove some of this. So far I'm impressed. Cool. Let's see if they have a reverse. What does this do? Just stops it? Oh, that one just pauses it. Okay, let's reverse it. Cool. Now we could do our other hand. Reverse it again so I can go down. If it's acting funny one way while you're trying to use it, just put it in a different setting. Reverse it or forward it. Reverse it to face it your way and go down. So now it's in reverse mode. I'm going to turn it off. I am impressed, but let's try it with some acrylic nails. So if you want to see how that goes, watch the next video.